Fastest Roadside Guy Alive here. About to show you how to plug a tire. I don't know if I can get a shot of that or not. There's a nail in there. I usually pull them off to do them. I see a lot of people do them while they're on there. I guess it just depends on the angle. So I set my bag out, get my jack out, just start off like a standard tire change. First thing you got to do is figure out where it's leaking from. In this case it looks obvious, but you can always have more than one problem. So I always fill the tire up, check for leaks. Alright, get your impact gun out. I always check the size for, and then that one's going to be the lock. The customer already gave us the lock. The key. Good there. I always switch over to my torque stick right away. But that made a noise driving. Allegedly, that's our problem. Keep some pliers and some miscellaneous in this bag. And then I use a blackjack tire repair kit, blackjacktire.repair.com it looks like. It's a heavy duty kit. It's pretty sweet. Answer. Any problem, or can I call you right back? Oh, fair enough. All right, sounds good. Bye. I usually have some soapy water, but I think it leaked all over the floor. Hopefully there's a little soap residue in this. And I like to wear these rubber 7mm. You can get those at Harbor Freight. They're kind of expensive. I use them for my when I do mobile tire jobs. And tire plugs. Looks like it's a little soap in there. I always squirt it around the rim. You want to be able to tell the customer if they have a leaky rim, because that wouldn't be your fault, really, in this situation. I always do it around the valve stem. Probably gonna start airing up right there. I can hear it coming out there. Obvious. So you just want to kind of do a visual inspection for any other nails or anything like that. Don't see anything obvious. Now, one little pro tip, hopefully I'm not going to lie to you. Bummer. One little pro tip, and I probably don't need to do it in this case because the hole's big, but when you pull something out of a tire, you want to make a chalk mark on it. And I usually carry some chalk. Do not see it. Yep, got some. So like I said, in this case I probably don't need to do it, but I have lost holes before and it's not great. Boom. Now this, usually you might need to get a plier on there or something, but that just pulled right out for me. So, first thingy, you want to ream it. So this kit comes in pieces like this, I guess so you can pack it away. Just kind of put it together with a little Allen key. And then this comes with some nice lube. So make it a little easy to get through this hole here. A couple little like that. And with the size of that hole, I would just use the regular size. There's two different plugs, regular and extra thick. Now, it does stick to the gloves a little bit. That's not great. There we go. Nice and easy. So, put that on there about halfway. Get over it with some leverage. Rip it out. Hope I got that on video. Comes with a little knife. You're going to want to trim this up. Pack it up. I think we did it. Looks good, thusly. That's the best case scenario for a plug. Right in the middle, good tread left on the tire. It's perfect, exactly what you're looking for. Call you right back. I'm gonna be downtown in 10 or 15 minutes. All right, everything looks good to go. Worked like a charm. It's exactly how you draw it up when you're looking for a plug job. The rest of it's just doing a normal tire change. Man, you know what? I don't know if my jack's leaking or what, but I've had to do this a couple times. And I'm usually in the habit of jacking it up high enough so I don't have to do that. I mean, this one is as good as I could go. You know, charging 75 bucks for a plug might be a little cheap. You can charge 85 usually. But you definitely want to have this in your arsenal. Always remember to hand that key back to the customer. One of the most important things you're gonna do. Always grab it, keep it in my hand until I see him. All right, there you have it. Don't know how long that took. It wasn't too long. I mean, it took a minute. You're not really trying to do those fast. You're trying to do those right. All right, that's all I got for you. This is the fastest roadside, 12 and a half minutes, not bad. I am the fastest roadside guy alive. I'm out.